Hi friends, this is Shanmukh. I'm a SQL DBA trainer. So I'm going to start a new batch, okay, on Microsoft SQL Server DBA. I'm going to start this new batch from the coming 25th August 2021 onwards, right, which is coming Wednesday, okay, coming Wednesday onwards. I'm going to start this new batch on Microsoft SQL Server DBA technology. Okay, so weekly 5 days will be there. We are going to connect weekly 5 days, and from Monday to Friday morning 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. we are going to connect. Okay, weekly 5 days from Monday to Friday, weekly 5 days we are going to connect. The classes will be there, and the timings will be like morning 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. IST. Okay, duration will be 45 to 50 hours of training. Okay, so we are going to discuss complete real-time setup with the scenarios and all. So we are not going to install SQL Server in the local machine. We'll configure virtual machines. Okay, so like this, we are going to configure virtual machines. On top of the virtual machines, we are going to configure Windows servers, Windows Server operating systems. On top of Windows Server operating systems, we are going to install SQL servers. So everything will be real time only. Okay, so I'll show you from the first day, from the day one onwards, I'll show you how to connect to the servers in the organization. Okay, so with the diagrams, what is meant by like work from office, work from home, how to connect in case if you are doing work from home, how to connect to the servers, okay, how to connect to the instances, SQL Server instances and all. Okay, so like this from very basics, from very basic level to, okay, from basic level to expert level we are going to discuss. In case you don't have knowledge, if you are not technically sound, but even though you are not belongs to a computer science background, if you belongs to a non-science background, non-computer background also, you can easily understand these classes. Why? Because I am going to use drawings. Okay, so I'll take the help of the drawings, and I'll use the drawings and all to understand easily. Each and every concept will be taught with the help of, okay, pictures and all. So don't worry about it. So I'll help you a lot from very basic level to expert level. I'm going to teach. Once you completed these sessions, okay, you can attend at least 4 to 5 years of experience level interviews. I'm sure if you are dedicated about this course, if you are interested in this course, and if you are practicing this course regularly, I'm sure with my training you can get a job with 4 to 5 years of experience, sometimes 6 years also. Why? Because 4 to 5 years, 6 years, almost all same questions will be there. Okay, so we are going to discuss in that much level, from that much basic level to that much deep, we are going to discuss in the SQL Server DBA. So don't worry, in case if you don't have computer knowledge and all, that's not big deal. If you can handle the laptop, if you can manage the laptop, okay, that is enough. That knowledge is enough to learn this course. And mode of language will be English language. And I'm having a 10 plus years of experience myself, Shanmukh. I'm having 10 plus years of experience as a SQL DBA, and since 7 years I'm teaching this SQL Server DBA technology. Okay, and who can learn? I told you, right, everyone can learn, even though, okay, there is no separate qualification. Okay, MBA people also can learn. Okay, BBA people also can learn. BCom people also can learn. Everyone, those who are having at least a degree or diploma can learn this technology. And this is a graphical user interface technology, guys. Okay, so very easy to learn. But again, if it is easy, lot of competition will be there. So that's why you have to work hard for the 2 months. Okay, for throughout the course you have to work hard. And again, SQL Server DBA is the only technology. With this technology you can get the job for the next 6 months to 1 year. Why? Because after 1 year, okay, for SQL DBA they are going to add Azure SQL DB also. So everything will be doubled. You have to spend double time to learn SQL DB and Azure. You have to spend double money, 2 times of money, okay, for learning SQL DB and Azure SQL DB. And your efforts also should be doubled. Your practice and all should be doubled. So don't waste your time, guys. Try to join the sessions, try to complete the trainings for the next 2 months, so that it will be easy. You can get the job with a single Microsoft DBA technology. And in case if you want to choose another technology, go and search it. For other technologies you should have at least two technologies, okay, to get the job. to enter into the IT, but SQL Server is the only technology which will help you to enter into the IT. If your dream is IT, okay, then start your career with the SQL Server DBA. It's easy, and again, easy means you have to put a lot of effort. The star mark is okay. You have to put a lot of efforts. The good thing is, okay, as of now, 30% people are 30% recruiters are asking Azure knowledge. Remaining 70% are asking only core SQL DBA knowledge. After 6 months, believe me, okay, 70% recruiters will ask you Azure SQL DBA knowledge with SQL Server DBA knowledge. Okay, 30% only they will ask you main core knowledge and also. That's why if you are getting late, okay, if you are postpone the training and all, it will be difficult to you. Again, you have to learn a lot of things. Okay, so that's why please plan your things accordingly. Okay, and prerequisites is, as I discussed, basic computer knowledge is enough. And again, you should be very dedicated. Don't miss the classes. Don't skip the practice and all, which is very helpful to you. So everything as discussed, everything will be real-time setup only. You can see here we are going to create machines like this Oracle VirtualBox. We are going to create virtual machines, okay, like this. And on top of this Oracle virtual machines, we are going to practice and clustering also. So usually other trainers, they will simply give you the clustering videos and they will ask you to prepare those videos and all. But in our class, I'll show you how to configure Windows clustering also. Okay, so in this course, you are going to learn 30 to 40% of the Windows, okay, concepts, and 100% of the SQL DBA concepts, so which is very helpful for you guys. And so you can see here, laptop also should be at least 4 GB to, okay, 12 GB laptop RAM should be at least 4 GB to 12 GB will be good. Okay, 4 GB initially, 4 GB RAM laptop is enough. Okay, initially for the first 1 month. Okay, later after 1 month. Okay, so while practicing HADR concepts and all, 3 machines has to run at a time. Active Directory, Node 1, Node 2. These 3 machines has to run at a time. So at least 8 GB to 12 GB RAM would be good. But again, immediately not required. Immediately 4 GB RAM is enough, which will help you to start practice and all. Okay. So if you are interested, you can WhatsApp, okay, to my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number, 9902 590 and 140. Please send, okay, if you are interested, please send message to this WhatsApp number. If not possible, send an email to this, okay, real-time IT trainings and all. Just send an email to this, okay, so that I'll help you. For immediate response, send a WhatsApp message to my number, which is 9902 590 140. Okay, so in case of any questions, just let me know, guys. I'll help you. After completing the course, I'll help you to prepare the resume. Once you uploaded the resume, you will get the calls, right? So I'll help you, okay, to clear the calls also. But again, you have to be dedicated about the course and all. Okay, so thank you, guys. Thank you so much.